Hey there good people, my name is Scott and you are watching Sword and Shield Studio. Right now we're going to learn how to use dynamic zoom in DaVinci Resolve. This allows you to quickly and easily apply a cropping zoom to a video clip. Let's see how it's done. So I am on the edit page within Resolve now. The first thing you will need to do to use the dynamic zoom feature is left click the clip that you want to apply it to on your timeline. I have this clip of an espresso machine by Kelly Lacey on pexels.com I'm going to use as an example. And then you will left click the inspector at the top right if you don't already have it open. And then click where it says dynamic zoom to expand that section. And left click the toggle switch next to where it says dynamic zoom to enable it. And now you will see our clip over the entire course of the clip is zooming out. Now dynamic zoom is largely a set and forget feature, but there's a few ways we can modify this. For instance, if we would rather have it zoom in over the course of the clip, you can left click where it says swap in the inspector. And now you'll see it's doing the exact opposite as it was. It's zooming in over the course of this clip. And there are a few zoom ease options we can change. By default, it is set to linear, meaning it is zooming gradually at the same pace over the entire course of the clip. But if we want it to begin at a slower pace and ease in, there's an ease in option. And I'll play that back from the beginning and you'll see it starts out at a gradual zoom and then progressively increases towards the end. And you can achieve the opposite with an ease out, where it begins with a more severe zoom and then eases the zoom down as it approaches the end. And you can ease both sides with the ease in and out feature. That does it for this tutorial. I hope that after watching this video you understand how to use dynamic zoom to introduce some dynamic movement to otherwise static stills and video in your projects. If you did find this useful, please consider subscribing to the channel where I upload a video just like this one every week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.